show you guys how to make a spear. Gotta love the Mora knife. Show you guys a little trick. Okay. Relatively straight stick. It's just for demonstration purposes only. Show you guys how to make a spear. Use my hammer because not many logs around here. Alright. See the end of the stick? What you want to do, I don't know if you could see it on the camera or not. I cut an X or a plus or whatever you want to say to mark where you hammer down your knife until you get to about here. So I'm going to go do that in a safe place and I'll be right back. Alright, check it out, guys. I believe the term is baton. You baton your knife down here until you get 4 points. Then get a smaller stick. Just don't be as dumb as me. Get one piece and break that piece down into 2 pieces. And save those for later. Grab some of your paracord. Luckily I have some in my car. And wrap it around at the end of those points. This is the first one of these I've ever made, so bear with me, it's a little crude. But like I said, it's for demonstration. Right here is the end of where I batoned those points. Like I said, wrap your paracord around. Okay, we've tied that off. Very crude, but it works. Alright, remember those little sticks I talked about? there's one. What you want to do is put it in between half of your points, and take the other one and put it in between the other 2 points. So you have those 4 points now. And then sharpen away.
Look at this.
Can you please get out of my tackle box?
It's a big one.
It is.
Can I borrow it?
Can you borrow it?
Yeah. Can I?
One of my buddies from the Florida Bushcraft group on Facebook did a video on these Mora knives, and it convinced me to get one. One of the best purchases I ever made. Joey, go pick up your toys, dude. We're about to go. I'm not cleaning them up, so if you don't, then they're going to get left here. I got all this stuff here I got to pick up. Joey, we got to go. Well, you've been playing most of the time you've been here, not fishing. Okay, like I said, crude, but there's your spear. I mean, you can clean it up, you know, make it much better. I just wanted to throw it together real quick and show you guys how it's done. You know, cut these off, cut this down. Well, there you go. There's your spear. Later that night, I fixed up the spear a little bit, off camera. What I did was tightly wound more paracord around the wedges in between the spear points and cut the bits of extra paracord off.
Thank you, everybody. Like and subscribe.